This time we're bringing you a single family home in Envigado, Lower Park, close to everything. This is a townhouse in the city of Medellin in Envigado. This is actually a very nice unit. So now let's go look at this property. This is the property that we're talking about. Is a single family unit. We're gonna later on see where those doors take us to. But look, nice ample spaces. We have 3 levels right here. The first level obviously is the living room, dining room, and the kitchen. Open concept. Open concept kitchen. Look at it. It's a lot. This is actually a property with a lot of potential, as you can see. Now I want to see where those doors take us to. I actually found where those doors take us to. What's behind those doors and the parking is actually the storage unit. So it's actually really good. They did quite a good job with those really big doors. Look at it. So we're gonna go upstairs right now. We have a beautiful wooden staircase with the handle. The railings are made in stainless steel, which is wicked. Though we see a really good light. Look, we got this beautiful, beautiful, beautiful double height ceilings. We see our main room right there. We're gonna go there right now. But look, we got more stairs, so we go into the 3rd floor. Now, check this out. We got this very ample room right here that works as a TV room or a library or whatever. You have that beautiful view right there. Check it out, not bad at all. So this is a property that is actually in the lower part of Envigado, and as you can see, it actually does have a quite a nice view actually. Though, look at that beautiful sky that we have. And actually, you can see the mountains all the way back there. So beautiful. Now let's go look at the rest of the property. Now I'm trying to get way better at doing this video for you guys. So do please be patient with me. No, now let's go look at the property. Now, we're not going to the 3rd floor yet though. We're looking at this bedroom. We got another bedroom right here with a little bit of a library right there. And now we go into this other bedroom. See, this is a bedroom. It's got closet right there. It's also got its own washroom, as you can see right there. And we have this view right here. Unfortunately, we don't have, actually one thing that you could actually do right here in this property, you could actually open that space right there and have all those windows right there. This is the washroom in the window. Oh, we have a jacuzzi right here. Great, nice ample bathroom. Check it out. And I like those. Now let's go into the 3rd floor and see what we find. Okay, it actually looks really cool, but because we got right here, we got 4 bedrooms. Yes, we have 4 bedrooms. Right here we have a little patio, and watch. This is the other bedroom, 3rd floor, and we have that view. Now check this out. And now we go into the other bedroom right here. These 2 bedrooms share 1 washroom. They share this washroom, complete washroom right here. And we see all this area in the 1st floor, which is actually great. So now let's go look at the amenities. This is just across from the house, so it's actually, if you have kids, it's actually great because the pool and the play area is just around from, it's actually in front of the house. Now we're gonna go see right around the neighborhood, so you guys can actually, I'm just gonna make a quick video just of size so you guys can see the neighborhood. Now, just in case I forget, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and let us know what you think. That's the gated unit right there. And this area is just absolutely marvelous still. Like I was saying though, it's just 2 blocks away from here. There's absolutely everything that you need. Flat, like you can see, flat, so you can walk everywhere. This is a great neighborhood in Envigado. Now, again, my name is Thomas from Real Estate Medellin. Check out that video, or that video, I don't know where it's at. And look at the other properties that we're posting. Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think about this property. Goodbye for now. My name is Thomas. See ya.